The Xiaomi 17 Pro is now official as a new large flagship smartphone, packed with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, Android 16-based HyperOS 3, and Leica-branded cameras. Handsets are available in black, cold smoke purple, forest green, and white finishes. The entire rear camera housing of the Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max is replaced with a functional secondary screen. This screen is port notifications, time display, multitasking, AI interactions, and cross-device functions, expanding on the small secondary display seen earlier in the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. It's a 6.3-inch LTPO panel with 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. It uses the M10 luminescent material and can reach 3,500 nits. It's protected by Xiaomi Dragon Crystal Glass. Xiaomi continues its collaboration with Leica. The triple camera system consists of a 50MP Lighthunter 950L main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5x periscope telephoto. The device carries 6,300 mAh battery that uses a high silicon design to maximize capacity. It supports 100W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. Pricing starts at 4,999 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.